here we are wrapping up our first month on the road. We've found ourselves today in Bright with some beautiful weather, sitting down by the river in Bright at the moment, and the girls are having a little swim.
Yes, it's been it's been another awesome couple of weeks. We spent a week in Bermagui over Christmas. Our mates Wild Tribe Wandering joined us on Boxing Day, so that was pretty epic. And super grateful to our family for letting us camp up at their place for the week. It was absolutely beautiful. We got some pretty good weather. For some of the days we did get some rain, but that's all right. Nothing sort of dampened the spirits. Another 2 weeks. We've covered a lot of ground in the last month. We're certainly going to start slowing down a little bit. We covered New South Wales, and now we're into Victoria. So certainly a little bit faster than what you'll see us travel, I think, moving forward. But we're in Bright. We got to catch up with my family member today, which was awesome. If you're in Bright, you must visit the Peaks Cheese. That's a definite. Some absolutely beautiful cheeses from my cousin and her partner, and some really beautiful weather here today. We're probably not in the best part of the river, but the girls are hanging out. So hey! Absolutely stunning, this river. So definitely keen to come back. So
from here we're going to go back to Dargo this afternoon, and a couple more nights in Dargo, just staying in a free camp there. And then we'll start heading down towards Phillip Island, and then
Wilson's
up around
Prom.
Wilson's Prom, and then up around to Melbourne to catch up with some other friends and do the zoos and different things in Melbourne and show the girls the city. Before we start heading down towards the Great Ocean Road. So
yeah, for sure. But I guess in terms of a month on the road, key things we've learnt, I suppose, is we're really relaxing now. So we did think that it would take us a few weeks to get in the groove, but I think we've actually got there quicker than what we anticipated. Would you agree? Yeah, certainly feeling relaxed, feeling like we're not, while we've travelled fast, I don't think we've necessarily rushed. We've stayed places longer if we needed to. We've really loved it. I think some highlight places, oysters in Eden were amazing. From a non-oyster eater, I really enjoyed them. Obviously, Bermagui, the beaches.
The whole south coast was just stunning.
Sapphire Coast is absolutely beautiful. We really loved it. Visiting Malakuta for the day, that was also stunning. Bit rough weather, so like in terms of surf and things like that, so we didn't necessarily spend too long there on the beaches. Even coming to Dargo, absolutely beautiful countryside.
Other big one for me was the place we stayed for New Year's, in Snowy River Station. Beautiful cattle property, and just really close to the water, which was lovely, and some really nice peaceful times there. So
girls, what have you liked over the last 2 weeks?
Here.
You like it here at Bright?
Maybe here too.
Yeah, here as well. Yeah. Are you still loving living in our caravan and being on the road? Yeah, it's been awesome. Hey, having loads of fun. Keep an eye out. We've got some beautiful sights to still be seen, and we're going to keep sharing the journey with you guys. So thanks for joining us on episode 2.
Enjoy the video, we'll catch you again in another couple of weeks.
I admire a life of alignment. You prefer to watch it dance. I rely on what I got my eyes on, and you tend to lean a little into chance. We relate in a different way. Irony is here to stay. I believe that you were made for me to fall in love with you all over again. And we're ready to find our way, and we're steady now in the steps we take. And you feel there's a weight off our shoulders, and we're ready to find our way. to mine, and you know that I'll love you all the time. We relate in a different way. Irony is here to stay. I believe that you were made for me to fall in love with you all over again. And I'll wait for you to pack your things and go to a place where the pine trees talk with the snow. I wanna run down the street, build a house out of sticks and stones. I wanna swim to the depths of the ocean beneath its coast. And I wanna go everywhere you wanna be. We'll cherish these moments while we are still young and free. Cherish these moments while we are still